Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to get this easy prom look. I think this is a pretty good look that will go with so many different colored dresses, but you could definitely use the same techniques I did and just incorporate different colors that will match your dress if you like that better. But yeah, if you guys want to see how to get this look, make sure you keep on watching. You guys, I have been dying of pain. My wisdom teeth are coming in, and I guess they're coming in harder on this side, and like I'm just in so much pain. I could barely sleep last night, so that's why I look half dead. So as a transition shade, I'm going to be using Sandalwood from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. I'm going to make sure to bring the color up pretty high because I have hooded eyes. So right underneath that, I'm going to go with this shade called Henna. It looks pretty orange on camera, but it's sort of like a pretty warm brown. Honestly, this could even be a bronzer. So I'm putting that all over the lid and bringing it up, but not as high as the transition shade. Now we're going to go all over the lid with this copper shade called Trust Fund. Now, I could definitely do some winged liner, but honestly, who has time for that? Like, it's just too time consuming, and you're probably gonna get pissed doing it, and who wants to be pissed when they're about to go to prom? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line my lid with this black eyeliner from Urban Decay, and I'm just doing a very thin line. And I'm actually gonna keep it towards the outer corner of the eye. So I'm going to smoke out the outer portion of the eye with this brown shade right here. I mean, not the outer portion, the corner. Girl. Bruh. The liner that we put on the outer corners of the eye. Alright, we're done. That literally took like 2 seconds. I did my lashes off camera. I think I might have cut one of them longer than the other, but you know what? We're just gonna disregard that because I'm not actually going to prom. But if you guys are actually doing this prom, please make sure you cut your lashes correctly and that they both look as similar as possible. But anyways, let's move on to foundation. I'm using my holy grail, the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 300. This is gonna last you all night if you plan on dancing, and you're most likely gonna be sweating because I feel like around prom time it's already like pretty hot and humid. For concealer, I'm using the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer in the shade Sugar Biscuit. Now to set, I'm going to be using the Beauty Bakery Better Not Bitter Flower Setting Powder in the shade Yellow. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go back into Sienna, and I'm just going to put that all under there. Why'd I say it like that? Right near the inner corners, I'm going to put the same shimmery copper we put on the lid. I applied mascara, and I applied my inner corner highlight, some brow bone highlight. I used the Amrezy highlighter, which we're going to be using again later. Since I do want this to be as simple and easy as possible, I'm not going to be contouring. I'm only going to be bronzing. I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Medium Matte Bronzer. So for blush, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Peachy Love Blush Trio, and I'm going to be mixing in these two shades. As promised, we're using the Amrezy highlighter to highlight. I lined my lips with the NYX Nutmeg Lip Liner. Now I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics Dulce de Leche lipstick. So that is it for this easy prom look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Email me in the email down below if you're in the New Jersey area and you would like to get your makeup done by me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys next time.